Hello, I am Rosemary Butler and I am the Presiding Officer at the National Assembly for Wales. I have spent much of the last year encouraging more women into public life by hosting regional seminars across Wales and holding a national conference here at the Assembly. Travelling around Wales and hearing what panellists and the delegates had to say was truly inspiring. It confirmed to me that we have much to be proud of in Wales, but that not enough has been done to tap into the experience, knowledge, expertise and the perspectives that women bring to public life. There are many fewer women than men in public life, and as a result, their voices are not being heard as effectively as they should. As a woman and as a politician, I want to see a fair representation of women in decision-making positions, particularly in public appointments. Why? Because people often make decisions based on their own experiences, and if those who make the decisions come from a narrow part of society, then society won't be represented fairly. So what is a public appointment? Public appointees are members of committees that advise, monitor and take decisions on public services which affect all areas of Welsh life, from education and health to sport and the arts. Public appointments offer exciting opportunities to give something back to the community while you develop your own personal skills. You meet a whole range of new people and having an influence over how things are run. Now, these appointments range from school magistrates to members of boards of national museums and galleries, regulatory bodies like the Equalities and Human Rights Commission, and advisory bodies like the Committee on Standards in Public Life. Now, you can help run these organisations and offer advice, drawing on your own experience and the skills that you already have. So my message to you is, get involved. Let us know what you think, but more importantly, make your voice be heard.